Welcome to JRMSweeps. Today I'm going to install an LED light bar here on what I'm calling the party mower. It's just an old lawnmower that we took the deck off of. Got a few things added to it. So I positioned the LED light bar on the hood, drilled out 2 holes. Now we're ready to mount the LED bar. Now you'll see when I set it on the hood that it's got a little space or a gap here, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to address that. I have the mounting bolts mounted here and here. Now you can see on the top here I used 2 nuts, and the reason why we're going to do that is that's going to give me the clearance I need to come across the hood. So now we're ready to go ahead and mount up the light bar and see how that works. I have the light bar installed. See, I have good clearance. It gives me an opportunity to move that up and down. Now to wire this up, instead of going all the way to the battery, since I have the LED whip light already going to the battery, I know which one of these is the hot. So what I'm going to end up doing is taking the wire, I'm going to drill a hole through the hood, run the wire down this way. I'm going to tap into the ground up here, and then I'll run all the way over here to the switch, and then from that switch I'll tap into the hot here. Have the hole drilled here, wires under the hood. We're ready to go ahead and start wiring this up. I'm going to use this little rectangular on-off toggle switch here. That's where I'm going to put the LED switch here. Just using a little X-Acto knife here. I'm tapping into the ground wire here on the mower. That's the ground I'm going to run to the LED light bar. I have the ground wire ran, drilled a hole right here, just kind of looped it around. To give my switch power to the LED bar, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap into this wire right here. This is a direct hot from the battery. I'll splice into that, go into the switch. When you flip the switch on, it'll give power to the LED, which I'll run up to this guy right here from the switch. Okay, I have hot ran to the switch. Now what we're going to do is we're going to run this wire from the switch all the way down, up, and right here to where the hot is on the LED bar. That way when we flip the switch, it'll transfer power, turn the LED bar on. I'm gonna lower the hood. Try it out. Oh yeah. Ooh-wee.